Today in this video we have covered Husqvarna Viking Opal 650 Embroidery Machine Overview. The Husqvarna Viking Opal 650 is a computerized sewing and embroidery machine designed for versatility and ease of use. It is well suited for beginners and experienced sewers looking to elevate their embroidery projects with precision and creativity. The Opal 650 boasts user-friendly features and high-quality stitching for various sewing and embroidery tasks. Key features of the Husqvarna Viking Opal 650. Number 1. Large sewing and embroidery space. The Opal 650 offers an extended work area, making it ideal for handling large fabrics and detailed projects without constant repositioning. Number 2. Exclusive Sewing Advisor trademark. This built-in feature provides automatic settings, recommendations, and guidance tailored to the fabric type, ensuring optimal stitch quality and accuracy. Number 3. Generous stitch options. With over 160 built-in stitches, including decorative and utility options, the Opal 650 offers plenty of versatility for creative designs and functional sewing. Number 4. Touchscreen interface. A user-friendly LCD touchscreen lets you navigate settings, make adjustments, and preview designs, enhancing project accuracy and convenience. Number 5. Automatic thread cutter. The built-in thread cutter trims threads at the press of a button, saving time and ensuring a cleaner finish. Number 6. Start-stop function. For precise control, users can operate the machine without using a foot pedal, perfect for maintaining consistency in long embroidery projects. Pricing. The Husqvarna Viking Opal 650 is typically priced between $1,200 and $1,500, offering a balanced combination of features, ease of use, and value for a computerized sewing and embroidery machine. If you want custom professional quality embroidery designs, digitizings.com is the place to go. They provide embroidery digitizing and vector art services, allowing you to turn any logo or design idea into an embroidery file that stitches out beautifully on machines. Whether you need logo digitizing, 3D puff digitizing, or detailed custom designs, they offer fast turnaround and high-quality service.